Hi, myself Shamsundar Murthy KP, studying in Government First Grade College KGF, First BBA. Chapter 1, Organizational Behavior. Before entering to the chapter topics, we have to know what is organizational behavior. It is the study of application of knowledge about how people as individual and group act within organization. It strives to identify the way in which people can act more efficiently. Organization behavior is nothing but an human behavior. And here we study how people act when they are individual or a group. Because every human minds are not similarly or same thinking. Some people we should keep on guiding to express their talents. Some people mentally stable on their own mind. They can act more efficiently expressing their talents by own. Singly. And here finally we are going to identify the way in which they can act more efficiently. Either it may be in an individual, either it may be in a group. Let's enter to the chapter topics. Features, elements of organization behavior system, importance of organization behavior, scope of organization behavior. Now let's see the features. Features. Human behavior is caused by individuals and group and structure. Human behavior can be studied, predicted and managed. It understands the organizational strategies, type of human behavior necessary for their implementation and management people. Elements of organization. Elements of organization behavior system: people, structure, environment, technology. Elements of organization behavior system is an organizational operation system. It is a very important system in the organizational behavior, and it is a key element of an organizational behavior are people, structure, technology and the environment in which the organization operates. And why these elements of organization is very important, and they say it is a key set to the organizational behavior. Why? Because peoples are the very important required to the organization. Without people, organization cannot be formed. Peoples are the route mappers and route planners to the organization. They decide how to plan an organization, how to run an organization and how to develop an organization. They are the route maps and the route keys to the organization, how to develop for each and everything, for each and every moment. Peoples are required. Without people, organizations cannot be formed. Here we see the second important elements of an organization is an structure. Why people are there, but why structure is required? Yes, the structure is required. People we can find everywhere and we can see everywhere, but the structure should be in an people. There should be an internal formal relationship among the people in the organization. Different people in the organization are performing different types of jobs. They needed to relate it in some structural way so that their work can be efficiently and coordinated among people. So the structure is a very important role in an organization behavior. Here we can see an technology. It is also a important element of an organization. Why it is an important element of an organization? Why we need a technology? Now people are there, structure among people are there. Why we need a technology? Yes, we need a technology because to perform our jobs we need a machineries. Technology itself a machineries. We need a proper machineries to perform our work more efficiently, to perform our jobs and a task on time. We need a proper machineries to complete our jobs on time. And here we can see finally environment. Environment is also a very important element of an organization. Why it is a very important element of an organization? Because how environment changes and the organization behavior should be changed. Why? Because now we can see present example, Corona. Before Corona, the mask and the sanitizers were few people were using, but now every people were using, how the environment changes, how the environment affects, such as organization behavior also should be changed, such as. So environment is a very important element in the organization behavior. Importance of organization behavior. Importance of organization behavior provides a roadmap to our lives in organization, uses scientific resources, help us influencing organization events, help to understand self, useful to maintain cardinal individual relationship. Now let's see the scope of organization behavior. Scope of organization behavior. Elements of organization behavior: personality, perception, attitude, employee motivation, and leadership. Elements of the organization behavior. Elements of the organization behavior, they are the key elements in the organization behavior, are people, structure, technology, and the environment in which the organization operates. Now let's see personality. Personality can be defined as those inner psychological characters that both determine and reflect how a person responds to the environment. Every working environment cannot be same. The personality itself, how we changes is personality according to the working environment. It may be a easier, it may be a hard. How we going to change his personality? The way of he thinking, the way he behaves and responds to different situations, the way he show the attitudes and control his emotion and regulate his attitude in every situation is a personality. And how we face the problems, how we take the decision making, and overall organization planning, how we does is an personality. Let's see perception. Perception is the way we understand the things. Here perception plays a very important role in determination of individual behavior. It is the process or the way understanding about any object or event, any situation. It differs with individuals. How people see things is perception. Perception depends expectation, needs, and background as well. Then how we prescribe the object or things in human nature. Now let's see the above object. From right side it is an 9, from left side it is an 6. Now in an human nature, how we prescribing the object or a thing, how we are going to think is an perception. And one more image is that we can see above. From right side it is an 3 rats, from left side it is an 4 rats. Here again we think, how we going to think, how we prescribe the situation is an perception. Now let's see attitude. Attitudes are a little thing that makes a big difference. Attitude can be negatively or positively can affect an human behavior. Attitudes are evaluating statement indicating one's feeling either favorably or unfavorably towards persons, objects, and events or situation. Attitude is nothing but how we going to show our attitude in different working places and different situations. How we take the situations in our attitude manner is an attitude. Now let's see employee motivation. Employee motivation is an level of energy to the employees. Employee motivation plays a very important role in employees, because by doing same work, by doing same jobs, employee will be lazy. So we should make some level of energy to the employees. How can we make that? By motivating employees, by giving some tasks, by giving some vouchers, by giving some gifts and increment in their payments. Providing a promotion to the employee can make a rest tracks in their fields. These are the another way employee can be motivated. They can perform their jobs on time. So employee motivation is required by avoid laziness on the employee. We can make some level of energy by motivating employees. Now finally we are going to see a leadership. Leadership plays a very important role in every organization and on every business, because leadership is a person who holds a capacity to translate his visions into reality. leaders become great not because of their power but because of their ability to empower others. And the leadership can be defined as the ability of the management to make sound decisions and inspires others to perform well. It is the process of directing the behavior of others towards achieving a common goal. Leadership cannot be taken by every person because it can be taken by who having a leadership qualities. The person who physically and mentally stable on his own mind and on his legs, guiding a group of members in a group to complete their tasks and to achieve their goals. Without a leader, any work cannot be completed perfectly.